As a project management expert, I often encounter businesses with intricate structures and diverse operational needs. One common question that surfaces, particularly among growing enterprises and those managing multiple ventures, revolves around the capabilities of their accounting software. Specifically, can Zoho Books, a popular cloud-based accounting solution, accommodate the management of two distinct companies under a single subscription? The short and direct answer is yes, you absolutely can manage two or even multiple separate companies within a single Zoho Books account. This functionality is a significant advantage for entrepreneurs and organizations overseeing various business entities, allowing for streamlined financial management and reporting without the need for separate subscriptions and logins. However, like any powerful tool, understanding the nuances of managing multiple organizations in Zoho Books is crucial to leveraging its capabilities effectively. Let's delve deeper into how this works and what you need to consider. Understanding the Organizations feature in Zoho Books. Zoho Books utilizes a feature called Organizations to facilitate the management of multiple distinct businesses. Think of each organization as a separate and independent instance within your Zoho Books account. Each organization has its own unique set of data, including customer and vendor lists. You can maintain separate databases of your clients and suppliers for each company. Chart of accounts. Each organization can have its own customized chart of accounts tailored to its specific industry and operational needs. Invoices and bills. All transactional data, including invoices sent to customers and bills received from vendors, are segregated within their respective organizations. Bank and credit card accounts. You can connect different bank and credit card accounts to each organization, ensuring accurate tracking of financial inflows and outflows for each entity. Inventory management. If you handle physical goods, each organization can have its own independent inventory tracking system. Reports. Zoho Books generates separate financial reports, like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, for each organization, providing a clear financial picture of each individual business. Users and permissions. You can invite different users to access specific organizations with varying levels of permissions, ensuring data privacy and control. Why manage multiple companies in one Zoho Books account? There are several compelling reasons why a business might choose to manage multiple companies within a single Zoho Books account. Cost efficiency. Instead of paying for separate subscriptions for each business, you can often manage multiple organizations under a single, potentially more cost-effective plan. This can lead to significant savings, especially for holding companies or individuals with multiple ventures. Centralized access. Having all your financial data in one place provides a consolidated overview of your various business interests. While the data remains separate, the ability to switch between organizations within the same login simplifies access and management. Streamlined administration. Managing a single Zoho Books account is generally less cumbersome than managing multiple separate accounts. This reduces administrative overhead related to billing, user management, and software updates. Simplified reporting for consolidated views, potentially while individual reports are generated for each organization. Zoho Books offers features that can potentially facilitate consolidated reporting at a higher level, depending on your specific needs and Zoho Books plan. This can be valuable for understanding the overall financial health of your group of companies. Efficient user management. You can manage users and their access permissions across all your organizations from a central point, simplifying the process of granting and revoking access. Considerations when managing multiple organizations. While the ability to manage multiple companies in Zoho Books offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of certain considerations. Data segregation is key. Ensure that you meticulously manage your data entry to assign transactions to the correct organization. Mistakes in data entry can lead to inaccurate financial reporting. Implementing clear internal processes and training for users is crucial. Reporting needs. While individual reports are readily available, consider if your business requires complex consolidated reporting across all entities. Depending on your Zoho Books plan and the complexity of your consolidation needs, you might need to explore additional features or integrations. User permissions. Carefully define user roles and permissions for each organization to maintain data security and prevent unauthorized access. Ensure that users only have access to the information relevant to their responsibilities within each specific company. Plan limitations. Be mindful of the limitations of your Zoho Books plan regarding the number of organizations you can add. Different pricing tiers may have varying restrictions. Review your plan details to ensure it accommodates your current and future needs. Complexity. While Zoho Books simplifies multi-company management, the inherent complexity of managing multiple, distinct businesses still exists. Ensure you have the necessary accounting expertise or consider engaging with an accountant to ensure accurate financial record-keeping and compliance for each entity. Intercompany transactions. If your businesses engage in transactions with each other, e.g., one company provides services to another within your group, you'll need to carefully manage these intercompany transactions within Zoho Books to ensure accurate accounting and elimination of these transactions for consolidated reporting purposes, if required.